Hi, you will notice that there are door handles on two of the bedroom doors and the main shared bathroom. So the one door is in this room, which I call the tree dot room. Another one is on the splash room. And then the third one is on the bathroom. This is the shared bathroom, and there is not one on the master or primary room. Unfortunately, these doors do not lock. What we may eventually do is put a little hook on the back side so that it can be closed. But that is the reason why we have these on here, is because we are looking to offer this room as a one bedroom and not allow access to these rooms to reduce our cleaning costs for the person renting the house. So just wanted to make note of that. If you're interested, what we could do is send you the app, and people would have access to the to locking and unlocking the door that way through the app, or using the 4-digit code, their last 4-digit code of their phone number. That's another opportunity. Okay, thank you.